and scores of people gathering outside the High Court in Durban. This is where the ANC is arguing that the MK Party's name and logo are its intellectual property. The governing party alleges MK's use of the name and logo infringes on its trademark, including those of its disbanded military wing. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi is outside court and joins us live now. Linda, what's happening there?
All right, Iman, so what you're seeing now are supporters of the ANC who are stationed on the other side of the street, not far from where members of the MK Party are gathering. This as the arguments, in that case, brought by the ANC on an urgent basis, is being heard at the High Court here in Durban. Members of the ANC still arriving. Iman, if you look at just the sheer number of people that are here, you can tell that, many are still coming. We, in fact, saw some of them on the outside this venue, in fact, in the taxis that have brought them. So it seems a lot of them are being brought by taxi here, but of course they're stationed on the other side of the court itself. So what we've been hearing here on the ground is just members of the ANC doing similar things to members of the MK Party, gathering in song and dance. They view the MK Party's use of their logo and the name uMkhonto weSizwe as being illegitimate and illegal. They are saying here as they gather amongst themselves that this is, the name that is being used illegally, and that the courts should be the ones to inform them that they can't use this name that is entrenched in deep ANC history. So what they're basically saying here is that they want the courts to do right by the ANC and tell the MK Party that the name uMkhonto weSizwe and the logo itself belongs to the ANC. So at the moment, the lawyers for this party that have brought this application are arguing inside this court, and among the points that they're arguing is that it seems as though the MK Party wants to dilute the rich history that the ANC has linked to uMkhonto weSizwe with themselves, who are new players in the political space, and that would be unlawful. And on top of that, it would cause confusion to the voters who would have to look at the different parties that would be listed in the ballot when they enter that voting booth. So in order to differentiate and disassociate the ANC with the MK Party, the courts need to rule in favor of the ANC that in fact it is unlawful that the MK Party is using their name as well as their logo.
Linda Mnisi, thank you very much. Just an update there on this ongoing intellectual property matter between the ANC and the MK Party. We'll certainly keep you close to developments in that story as well. But we'll